Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix Hinge match disappeared. So if a Hinge match disappears, the most common causes are the user unmatching or deleting their account, or a technical glitch, or the match expiring. So to fix it, the first thing what you can do is log out and re-log in. As described on the Hinge support site, logging out and logging back in is the primary fix to resync data. Now the second what you can do is force quit and restart. You see, when you open a Hinge app and if it's not working or some problem is going on, you can just swipe it up and then swipe it up again to close it completely from your multitasking screen. Now the next what you can do is check for updates. You can go to your Google Play Store or App Store and then go to your search bar and then search for Hinge. And if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version of Hinge. Now the next what you can do is check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and you can also switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to get the stable connection. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.